Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will be sharing with you silk sari eye makeup look. If you are wearing a silk sari and it has maroon and golden color, then please give this eyeshadow look a try. You can replace the maroon eyeshadow as per your sari color, but keep the golden. Golden is universal and will be suitable on max silk saris. If you are interested in knowing how to get this eyeshadow look step by step, then please continue watching. I'm picking this eyeshadow and packing it on my outer V. I'm using palette from Nika K, Sugarcoat Nika K ka palette. Please find link to this palette in the description box below. It is very beautiful palette and affordable as well. Next, to intensify this further, I'm using chocolate brown eyeshadow. Pat and move it in circular motion to blend it with the first eyeshadow. Take the same eyeshadow towards the crease. Move the brush back and forth and in circular motion when applying the eyeshadow. Don't deposit too much on your crease. The intensity should be darkest on the outer V. Next, I am creating half cut crease. Be very careful here. Cut your crease neatly. Take your time. Begin cleaning half eye after you cut your crease line neatly. Pull the edge concealer, the mid concealer, to blend it with the outer V eyeshadow. Next, I would be using this maroon eyeshadow and packing it on my eye mid. Replace this eyeshadow with the color of your sari. If you are wearing a pink colored sari, apply pink shimmery eyeshadow here, and if it is green, apply green shimmery eyeshadow here. Pull it towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V. Next, I would be using this golden eyeshadow and covering here. The remaining space should be covered using the golden eyeshadow. Blend both the eyeshadows well, pushing them towards each other. Next, I would be creating winged eyeliner. I'm using liquid eyeliner. This eyeliner is from Insight, a very affordable eyeliner. I'm outlining my wing. After outlining, I would be filling it. Next, I would be creating pointed inner corner. After creating pointed inner corner, I'm coating kajal on my waterline. Smudge the kajal on your lower lash line after applying it. Use the second eyeshadow, chocolatey brown eyeshadow. When smudging, the traces of the eyeshadow should be visible and kajal also should seem smudged. Next, I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes. Intensify your eyelashes, coating mascara well. Lastly, I would be highlighting my brow bone using foil from Swiss Beauty. Link to this foil is in description box below. It's a very beautiful foil and I'm using PAC 093 brush. It's a flat brush from PAC and it's done. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.